Who is ready for a big SHEIN try-on haul? Hey cuties! Today is an exciting day because I think that I have found my best outfit of 2025 so far within this bag, thanks to SHEIN. So I partnered up with SHEIN. Thank you so much to SHEIN for sponsoring this video. We all love you guys. Mwah, the cuties love you so much. And they gave me the go ahead and said, pick some things that are you. Something that's gonna make you stand out in 2025 and gonna be your outfit of 2025. And I was like, ooh! I need to pick something good, so you guys are gonna choose in the comments down below like which of these outfits is my outfit of 2025, and then I can do like a cute little photo shoot and post it on my Instagram and stuff like that. I think it's gonna be cute. Okay, so before we get started, I have a coupon code also, so I'm gonna pop that up right here. Easy. And I will be linking all of the items that you guys see here in the description box down below as always. And the coupon code, if you don't want to type it all in, it's going to be down there. But I love SHEIN, and if you guys didn't know, like, I feel like a lot of people know about SHEIN, but they have different stores inside of their website. So they have different like categories and different stores that market to different designs and fashion and styles. So if you're like looking at one category, you might be in one specific store and you might be like, this isn't really my style, then you can check out a different store. So I'm going to show you a couple stores that I like from SHEIN. I like pretty much every store. You can find like something for everyone. Certain categories do stick out to me rather than like the more, I'd say, modest or classy categories, because you know your girl. I want to be like extra out there, and they have that. I will be telling you guys which store name that I got each thing from to make it easier for you guys. I'm so excited. I feel like the most compliments I get are when people are like, where'd you get that? I need that, link it. And I'm like, SHEIN. I got it on SHEIN. It's so affordable. And Halloween is coming up also, so they have some good Halloween stuff. Just saying, just putting it out there. So let's go with the very first item. So the very first item I pulled is from the store in SHEIN called Radiana. So if you want to go type that into SHEIN and go search it up and follow it, they basically say Radiana redefines sexy, where effortless allure meets unapologetic curves. And then they credit confidence through trend-forward designs updated weekly. So that's one of the reasons why I got this, because this is super trendy now. Y2K fashion is so in. And you guys, it's not just because sometimes I follow a trend, but I literally sing to the beat of my own drum or whatever Kesha said. Let's make the most of the night. I don't even know. The leopard print. Fold over. Okay, love this. I'm loving this. You don't have to fold it over. You can keep it like this, but I love that they give you the option to fold it over to make it very, very Y2K. And then this is the top. So giving very much Spice Girls, Spice World Tour, Mel B. I love it so much. It's so cute. So is this what is my 2025 outfit of the year? I need you guys to decide for me. Is this it, or should we keep going? I got something else from Radiana, so I'm just gonna go find where she is. This one right here. I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna like this one. It's already busting out at the seams here. This one is more for like the fall, which is, oh my god, this one is, it might be it. This one might be it, you guys. So it is a cropped tank. Now you guys are probably like, it's fall, what do you mean? Okay, wait for it. Also, I don't know if it's catching on camera. It's like this very, very like dusty, pale green color, like a very, very pale green. I love it. It is like so like 70s or 60s green. It says California on there, and like you could use this obviously just as this, but it comes with this sweater dress. Oh my god, I'm knocking things over. It is so cute, and it says California down here to match. I don't think I've ever had anything like this. I've had sweaters like this before, and I've never had one that has like a matching tank top to go underneath. When I first saw it on the Radiana store, I was like, I need that. Like, I need that. It looks like it's like really tight here and then really loose. How did they do that? It's because it's a tank top. And I'm like, okay, sis. It is nice and oversized. I love this. It's really like stretchy and not like that itchy material. So I love that. I love the little California here. I love the writing of it. It's not like you're squinting like, huh? What does that say? I am obsessed with this. I think some high boots would really complete this look on a fall day. It'd be keeping you nice and cozy and you're like still wearing a tank top. So I'm like, it's still me. So go search Radiana for these two. Now on to the next Shein store. If you guys are confused, like Shein is a store. Yeah, Shein's the website, but they do have different stores. So I'm trying to make it easier for you guys and showing you guys where things are instead of just a link, because you can find so much more within each store. So if you like those two items from Radiana and you like that vibe, maybe when you go search and follow that store, you can see other things that you'll like as well. And then you just go on and on and on, and then you can't stop, and then you have a problem. A good problem. Okay, so when I was choosing the items, my fiance Austin, he was like, that is gonna look so good on you, and I've never seen you in something like that. You should get it. So this one here is a fiance pick, a man's pick. Let's see if the man's word is good. So this store right here, I got two items from, is called SHEIN ICON, and I should tell you guys a little bit about it. I love how they have a style for everyone. It is Y2K avant-garde style, sexy babe, edgy, and trendy. So it's like still my vibe. So you're gonna see a lot of that, but go explore on yourself, see how many stores you can see. But okay, this is a denim jumpsuit, very Y2K, very like, I don't want no scrubs. I feel like Beyonce was wearing this. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. Okay, this, oh, it's very stretchy. Okay, it's very stretchy. That's, you can just see that stretch. It's like jegging material. Okay, I love that. I think this one is going to be a win. This one is going to be it. I think I'm going to be that girl in this. They have a little bit of a flare at the end. I'm hoping that my size, and you guys are seeing it on here, that it does work with my size, and it is backless. So it does just have like a tie up, and it's just backless, and it has a zip right there. Let's just hope I can get this on and you guys are seeing it. But it is, yeah, you can see like right here, it is very stretchy. That's awesome. I love fabric like that. And also a whole outfit all on its own. Like you just throw this on and you're like good to go. And also this would be good for like so many different events. No, not a concert. I feel like I get way too hot in it. Like I feel like this is a good like fall day, another fall day, like going like pumpkin patching. What? Picking apples or something like that, right? Where it's like not too hot out. I feel like I got a lot of fall things. I did very good. How did the fiance do? The fiance, holy. How did my fiance do? That was his choice. Viewer's choice, everyone. Okay. This here, I'm gonna have to style with you guys because it is a bodysuit. So it is a tie-dye chain crazy, like it's like, oh my god, I'm gonna need help putting this not in. We're gonna keep it all on the body. I really don't know what avant-garde is because I feel like it's so many different things and I don't have a keen eye for fashion, but I try, okay? But the detailing, look at this. Look at all the little chains on here. There's like stars and circles on there. It kind of looks like pirate-y, like sexy pirate, right? I'm like a sexy pirate. I'm not a bad pirate, I'm a good pirate. So to style this, I'm going to do two different ways. These both are from Shein also that I've got at different times. This is a like pleather, just plain black skirt, which I think would go really well with it because it is a bodysuit. Or I'm gonna try the jeans for a more casual look and we can see which one is more the vibe. But I really like this. I love the colors. I love the cutouts. I love how high this is right here. This is like so high and it's like, ooh, ooh, show me all the goods. Yes, yes. Some people ask like, how do you go to the bathroom in a bodysuit? Honestly, you don't need to take it all off. I just take off whatever bottoms I'm wearing and I just move this to the side. Like, I feel like that's way easier than, or there's snaps, okay? But like, sometimes if you're in a bathroom, public bathroom, and you don't want to be like struggling with the snaps and like looking down and like, oh my god, there are snaps if you want to go that route. I just move it to the side, do the business, and move on with my life, okay? It's just a bathroom break. We don't need a degree for this. So that was the store, SHEIN ICON, so go search and follow that one. If you guys like those two items, you never know what you can find there. Oh no, how long has the Care Bear been knocked over for? If it was the whole video, I'm gonna be sad. Oh my god, my octopus is pussing over there. He's good. He's good. He's good over there. Anyways, the last store that I have for you guys for Shein is Slaydiva, which that is just, that name on its own, yes. We're just gonna say a big yes to that. And their brief little description here, hip-hop culture influenced streetwear, bright colors, slay and curvy. Yes. Just so you guys know, there are ones that are like more like modern or contemporary, classy, more like boho, redefined, feminine, exquisite, like stuff like this are other stores. These are just things that are my style, so don't let my style scare you away or anything. Okay, this one here is my favorite item that I picked out, and I want to know how you guys feel, because I feel like when I pick out something, I don't really pick out what the crowd likes. When I put on something, and I'm like, oh, I don't really like it, people are like, that looks so good on you, and I'm like, really? Like, I don't know, like, I'm just like bad at styling stuff. I don't have a keen eye for fashion, okay? Now, I've been trying to get my hands on something like this for quite some time, and they have different colors of this as well, besties, but you guys, I needed the pink one. So this is the top here. It has a little, not even a little, it's not just like a tiny little cutout. Hold on, I want to get the tag away so you guys can see. So there's this little cutout. I see little again. The heart cutouts, and it's just like a really cute two-piece outfit. I thought it was going to be a little bit more bright pink. It's more of a nudie pink, but that's totally okay, right? We're good with that. And then the pants here are the same thing. They have cutouts in just like the right places. Like, it's not going to show too much. You're not going to be like hoochie mama, like hoochie mama, show ya nana. Hey, what's that? That's S Club 7. Does anyone here remember S Club 7? Hoochie mama, show ya nana. I think that's how it okay, anyways, it doesn't do that. It's like at the sides, like on your hips almost. It's just ever so like slight. Oh, and it feels like there's like it's hard, so there's like metal in there, so it will keep the shape. So I love, love, love that. This is what they look like. This is what they look like on the back. This is a cute little two-piece for literally the airport. I love two pieces. You guys know I will live and breathe and continue spewing out my gob here that two-piece outfits are like my jam. So this doesn't really need to be styled. This is like, because that's why I love two pieces. You just throw it on and go. So let me know if you guys like this one on me. Be truthful. Don't be the honest guys, girls, besties, cuties out there. Okay, and the very last thing I got was again from Slaydiva. Go search and follow them. This is very interesting. I'm so excited to see this in person, because online I was like, I feel like I'm not going to be able to figure that out. See, it looks like it's like broken. But it just makes your brain feel like it's broken. Okay. Fold this down here. It's like a jean jacket. Look at that, like asymmetrical. Oh my God, this is so cute. The color of this too is adorable, this jean jacket. I don't know if I'll be able to just wear this. We'll have to see. I can't adjust it. We'll see if it will. We'll see if we can get it on. If not, then I will have to wear like a top under it. And then it just like asymmetrically also just like hangs down right there. I am obsessed with this. I think I'm also going to pair it with that skirt that you guys are seeing also from SHEIN. But this denim jacket is definitely a statement, and I feel like you would definitely get compliments on this. So let me know what you guys think of this. It's so cool. It's like so weird to look at, but I feel like once you get it on. So that was everything that I got from SHEIN. I'm hoping I found like a really good stunning outfit to wear before the dreaded snow starts falling. I hope I can get like a really good outfit, you know what I mean? I'm feeling very confident with this haul. I got some really good pieces, and I want to thank SHEIN again for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. I'm really appreciative of it. And again, here is my coupon code if you guys want to use it. It is also, again, linked down below. Everything is linked down below. Have fun, you guys. Have fun shopping. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know you guys love try-on hauls, and I love giving them to you. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah! Love yourselves, and be nice to the people next to you and around you and passing you in a car. And if somebody is driving slow, drive around them and don't be mean, okay? That wasn't from anything personal experience today or anything. Have a good day. Bye, guys.